Hello and welcome on this lovely sunny morning here in Queensland, Australia. I'm doing a very quick and very easy and simplistic and elegant piece today. So if you want to get your products together and have a go at this, you will need obviously some acrylic paint mixed with pouring medium, and the colours that I'm using today I'll explain as we go along, are very simplistic. But if you do want to know, you're a beginner and you're only just jumping in on my YouTube channel, in the description below this video you will find links to how to mix your paints, beginners lists, and where to buy your products. So it's all there. So the base that I put on was just my white mixed with a pouring medium, and now this lovely black was mixed with Australian Floetrol. Because there is some magic ingredient in Australian Floetrol, used with any make of paint, seems to give you absolutely awesome cells. As you see, look at that popping up, and it's absolutely gorgeous. So what can I say? So yeah, that's black paint and Australian Floetrol. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Just pouring a bit of black paint excuse me, over the top to cover my edges nicely so there won't be any gaps there. And it will also, when I do my blowouts, it'll be plenty of paint there to help me blow out. I've got a frog in my throat. So this colour is my champagne gold, which is 50% metallic gold, 50% metallic silver. Makes a beautiful champagne gold. The second colour is burnt umber, and it does have a little bit of metallic silver in it, not much. So very simplistic colours, and I think I put a little bit of black on top again, and then watch the magic happen. Wow, that is so simplistic, and it really is elegant and so easy to do. So just for a bit more definition, I get the little balloon, which I'll pop a little bit of water in, that small balloon, and it gives you that lovely petal effect. It is really, it's fun to do. It's so rewarding for me as an artist. And you can be a beginner, never done it before, and you will still get results like this. It all is paint consistency and persistence. So very enjoyable. You can do this just the same as I'm doing it on a large canvas, except you, instead of blowing it out with a straw, use a hairdryer to blow from the center out. Got many videos showing how to do that also. So if you haven't already seen my YouTube channel with over 1,700 videos in of all different techniques, art, resin, and all sorts on there, have a little squizzy because it's well worth it. So look at that second one. It's so cute, and it's so effective on that very simplistic background. Here we go for the little balloon in the center, just to add those nice petal effects. Really enjoying doing this. I'm just adding a little bit of black to go over it again, and put a little bit more black in the center of those petals. Wow, I just love it. I love it.
Forever faithful, he'll always lift you up. I was looking for the answers, too blind to see the signs. He was with me all this time. No, he never left my side. He shed his light and picked me up. I'm safe in his arms. I found my bliss and the greatest love there is. The greatest love there is. The greatest love. The greatest love there is. The greatest love there is.
And those are the little finger kisses. Just by pressing that finger in like that creates that lovely effect in those cells. And they're very simplistic, very easy. So you can easily do exactly the same method on a large canvas, but maybe if you were doing a large canvas, you, instead of blowing those flowers out with the little bendy straw, you could just blow them on low with your hairdryer. But very simplistic, easy, a beginner's pour or beginner's piece of art that, you know, is effective. So those little finger kisses, quite cute. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. For more tips and tricks and lots of different art ideas, please join me on my YouTube channel for so many more, 1700 videos, all different techniques and all easy beginners to advanced. Okay, bye for now.